Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series. Seek and destroy the problem. You will be provided with an initial array. In this case, we have this initial array followed by one or more arguments. In this case, two arguments followed by the initial argument. Remove all elements from the initial array that are of the same value as these arguments. So we should remove every occurrence of 2 and 3 from here. For example, let's collect all other arguments inside args. Now we can return array by filtering it, and for every element we will check if args includes that element. It will return true for case of 2 and 3, so we have to remove that. So we will provide exclamation mark here, and this looks good. Run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.